Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna show you the only 2024 Huawei M9, most expensive 6-seater electric SUV here in the Chinese market. We can compare this vehicle with the NIO ES8 or Lynk L9. So this one is the electric one, but that one is the PHEV version. So the PHEV version, it got 1.5-liter engine along with 42 kilowatt battery pack, and your total CLTC range will be 1,300 kilometer. But the electric version, it got 100 kWh battery pack, and your total CLTC range will be 630 kilometer. And the price is 78,000 US dollar. It's not cheap at all. So let me show you this vehicle from the rear. There are a little bit differences between the electric version and the plug-in hybrid version, but the rear looks same. Here, got a 360 camera, also LED tail lights, and here is another 360 camera, and there are so many parking sensors. So this one is a full electric one. It doesn't have the exhaust. So it's the hydraulic cargo. It's a 6-seater in 3 different rows, and here you will get 206 liters to its capacity. But if you down your third row, then it will be 720 liter. Also got some space for the tools, and here are some switches. So if you want to down your third row, you can do it. So this one is a most expensive 6-seater electric SUV here in Chinese market. We can compare it with the NIO ES8, and also we can compare with Lynk L9. We get some lights in a cargo, so if you put the cargo in a dark place, no problem at all. As I mentioned, this is the hydraulic one. Just press here, it will be close. Love this color. There are so many chrome all over in the vehicles, you see. And this is your charging port. So there are 2 charging ports. If you use the slow one, it will take 8 to 10 hours. But if you use the fast one, then it will take 25 minutes. Just press here, it will be close. So I'm gonna walk around and share all the information. Here we got P0 tire with 21-inch wheels, and your tire size will be 285 by 45 R21. See the wheels of, they're using the HUAWEI brake. This one doesn't have the bimbo brake. Come to this side. Let me mention again, it's the most expensive 6-seater electric SUV here in the Chinese market. We can compare this vehicle with the NIO ES8 or Lynk L9. So the height of the vehicle 1.8 meter, length is 5.23 meter, and wheelbase is 3.10 meter. Front wheel distance 2.0 meter, rear wheel distance also 2.0 meter. And the ground clearance, it will be around 20 centimeter. It has got the air suspension. As I mentioned it got the P0 tire with 21-inch wheels, and your tire size will be 285 by 45 R21. And these are the power door handles, but it's not the electric door. But here in the plug-in hybrid version, see, this is the plug-in hybrid version. This one is the electric door. The both interior are same, just a little bit differences, because this is a plug-in hybrid. It got 1.5-liter engine along with 42 kilowatt battery packs. You get the rear side. This is the same design. Both has got the same design, but here we got 2 exhaust here in the plug-in hybrid version, and both are functional. The storage And you see the seat and the color combination, everything is same, just a little bit differences. This is the plug-in hybrid, and that one is the full electric. But for plug-in hybrid, here we get the electric seat. So this is the electric seat. But for electric version, it doesn't have the electric seat. So you have to open and close them manually. Look at the interior. I love this interior design. Let me show you later. First, come to the front. To mention that there are a little bit differences. So look at the plug-in hybrid one. The design looks a bit different at the front. But here, the full electric version. I love this electric one. It looks so gorgeous. Here we got a full LED daytime running light, so this will be visible in day and night. Also, we got 360 camera and the logo. There is a functional grill. So if you see the plug-in hybrid one, that grill and this grill is not same. So the electric one looks more luxurious, especially if you see from the front. And here the air can be flowing this way, and this will give you a better aerodynamic performance. The drag coefficient of this vehicle 0.26 CD, so they have done a great job with the aerodynamic performance. As I mentioned, there are so many chromes all over in the vehicles. Let's open the front. So this is the electric version, and we will get a little bit space here in the front. This is around 80 liter. But for plug-in hybrid, you will get an engine in the front. So let's close it. So let's go and check out the interior. Look at the second row, and also it has got another row. So let me show you from the front. So all the soft leather, Nappa leather. They use Nappa leather all over in the interior. And as I mentioned, the electric version, the door are not the electric. But if you choose the plug-in hybrid one, then the door is electric. And you can choose different color to make your interior more colorful. So this all seats are electric. You can activate your seating seat masses, and you can move them like this way. The interior looks pretty similar like the Lynk&Co L9. The good thing is we can change the languages. So here, the English one, see? So we can check the vehicle status, display, the connection, HUAWEI assist, and the system. And also here you can use the apps and the service. They're using the Harmony OS. Okay, now look at the charging port. So this is the electric version. If you want to open the charging port, you can also open it through the screen. You can open the trunk, window, side mirror. You can even lock them. And here we got the lights. So you can choose different color to make your interior more colorful. This is for the energy driving mode. We can drive it into 3 different modes or 4 different modes: eco, comfort, sport, and custom. Sport, comfort, eco are 3 different modes. Driver assistance. See, that's good. If you can you prefer the left-hand drive vehicles, then you can take this vehicle from China. But there are some countries they prefer right-hand drive, so for them they need right-hand drive vehicles, but this one is good for the left-hand drive countries. You can change the languages. We got auto hood, PVC leather in the dashboard. Also here is another skin for the person who is sitting in the right side. And this is another entertainment screen. And there are some ear vent, one in the right, two in the middle, and one in the left. Also we got a smaller screen at this part, so you can see the CLTC range and the speed of the vehicle. Also we can check it out through the auto hood. And here, two wireless chargers, both are functional. And this is your you can change the mode. You see, from this one you can change the mode, normal, eco, sport, so we can drive it in 3 different modes. And also we got two cup holders, you can hidden them like this way. And here is a box with the armrest. Got a leather steering wheels, which is power adjustable, so you can adjust your steering wheels. Also there are no paddle shifter. We got, let's see, if you press, 帮我开空调。还没有翻译功能呢。好的，正在打开空调。So I have changed the languages in English, but the voice command I have to comment in Chinese. So also we get the airbag. Let's see, and there are no paddle shifter. Here we got another camera, so it can help you to shake your steering wheels if you don't focus on driving. And at the top, we got some lights. So if you touch, it will be open and close. Here we got a sunglass box. And there is a big panoramic sunroof, so you can open this sunroof. So it's a big rival of NIO ES8 and the Lynk L9. Here we also got a mirror with the light. So this is not the electric door, but if you choose the plug-in hybrid version, then you will get the electric door. Let me show you the second row. 78,000 US dollar is not cheap at all, and it's not fun, right? 78,000 US dollar. So here, as I mentioned, it is a 6-seater in 3 different rows, and it's a big rival of NIO ES8. So now it's going to be more VIP. Okay, now look at this seat position, and if you freeze this one, then it will be back to the previous position. So the plug-in hybrid version, it has also got the same functions. When you connect it with your seating seat masters. Okay, let me sit inside. Let's sit inside and check this out. Here we got 2 switches, so if you want to fold your front seat, 请注意前后人员物品安全。副驾座椅正在恢复，请注意前后人员物品安全。Okay, so if I want to fold this one, then I have to move from this seat. Now I can fold it. 副驾座椅正在折叠，请注意前后人员物品安全。Now it can be folded. Now you'll get more space here in the VIP cabin. We got a refrigerator, so you see you can bring some drinks here as well. So you can bring at least this kind of color, at least 4 or 5 bottle, and you can close it. And this one is your entertainment screen, so we got an entertainment screen at the middle. So if you compare with NIO ES8, so this part is missing in NIO ES8. There are no entertainment screen at the middle. This is a big one. It looks like a projector, and you can also hidden it. Now it's gonna be hidden. So we got a panoramic glass roof at this part. This cannot be open, but the front one, this one can be open. You can do the ventilation, you can activate your seat masses. And is there any tray? There are no tray. And if we go to the third row, oh, let me go to the third row. So here I'm gonna sit in the third row. So look, I'm 186. I got enough space here in the third row because the length of the vehicle 5.21 meter. Also, you can even see adjust your third row. That is cool. So they're taking money, 78,000 US dollar, and they're giving you all the facilities, all functions. So that's why I say that this is the most luxurious and most expensive electric 6-seater SUV here in the Chinese market. Although we compare with the NIO ES8, but the NIO ES8 doesn't have all the features like the HUAWEI M9. So let's go out. Okay, let me close this one. So the price is 78,000 US dollar. 78,000 US dollar. This is crazy. For plug-in hybrid version, it also has got the same functions, but just that one, you know, it just got 1.5 liter engine with 42 kilowatt battery pack, but the electric one got 100 kWh battery pack, and rest of the functions are same. But the electric version doesn't have the electric seat. Now it's back to the previous position. But the plug-in hybrid version, it got the the electric version, it doesn't have the electric door, but this one, it has got the electric door. But the interior is same. Okay, that's pretty well. I will share more new vehicles later. Keep supporting me, subscribe my channel. Until then, bye bye.